Hola a todos, what's up everybody? Aquí estoy fuera de mi casa. Si ven, hay un carro encendido. There's a car right in front of my, a unos cuantos pies de aquí de mi casa, around 20-30 feet away from my house. The car's on fire. Que no haya habido alguien or something. Todavía, like the fire, I just barely came out. I don't know how has the fire been on. Probably like around 10 minutes. My dad has been outside here. And we called the police. We called 911 already. The fire right out here, as you guys can see. If you guys can notice to see, cars on fire. Ojalá que no haya nadie. Somebody came out of there or something. El carro is on fire. Funny thing que ahorita que vi the car, I turned around to my car to see if it wasn't mine. Firefighters are coming. They should be here any second. Aquí está carro encendido. I would get close if I could to go see if there's anyone, pero también it's very dangerous. This is the most that we can do. Give you guys the latest news to Lake Havasu. A fire happened in front of my house. This could have been, as you guys have seen, I've been doing a lot of mechanica on the cars, and this could have been a problem with that. Something went wrong inside the car, something happened, the car exploded. Yeah, it could have gotten hit. Something could have happened that the car.
That's true. Something could have happened.
Something happened. Different stuff, possibilities, but yeah. And it's also my first experience. It's my first experience seeing a car on fire, except on the movies. Eso sí. But there's a lot of smoke. Ahorita no se ve muy bien because of the camera. Let's see if I can do something about it. The firefighters are coming. They finally came. Ya llegaron. Vamos a hacer la ambulancia acá, ¿no? The car's on fire. Yeah, it's the firefighters. Los bomberos. Hopefully there was no one in there. That car's total. Yo me acuerdo que había un setting para eso de lo de noche. Casi no lo uso. The firefighters gave us a better view.
Check it out. Look at Samsung.
Should I get a Samsung? That's the question, guys.
Yes. Not just the Samsung. As Note 9, Note 10. Go help the firefighters. And continue with recording with Samsung.
Should I get a Samsung? That's the question, guys.
Yes. Not just the Samsung. As Note 9, Note 10. Go help the firefighters. Then continue with recording with this one. Y ya lo pasas para allá.
can see the work of the firefighters right here. Shout out to the firefighters for coming out here every day. Cuántas lumbres, cuántas cosas que pudieran haber pasado along the day. Ahí se ve el humo. You can see the smoke. How many things could have happened so many times? How many cars turn on fire? How many things turn on fire?
Let's give thanks to the firefighters, to the nursery people.
As you guys know, it's just ahorita we're in cuarentena, we're in the time of COVID-19, de the coronavirus. And all these brave men, they're sacrificing themselves. Not even before Corona, they've always been exposing themselves to danger. Firefighters exposing themselves to fire. The doctors being exposed to different diseases. Y ahí están different areas. The police officers. A ver si me dejan acercarme. I'm gonna just try to get close as much as I can. Que me haya el news, they're gonna van a querer footage,
No,
video.
they don't know.
No, a lo mejor lo van a agarrar. Puede ser que
They
sí.
don't want your thing. They hear better things to ya se está acabando. Ahorita les dices a ellos que gracias por su labor.
More firefighters.
¿No viste eso?
Se hace más grande, ¿verdad?
Mira. Mira cómo está ese chispa.
Oh, look, there's
Sparkling.
the sparks coming out of there. Back about a year ago, this was one of my it's one of the jobs that I had in mind, becoming a firefighter. Maybe I should go for it, but yeah. But as you guys see, they've been at it for at least 5 minutes y todavía no. The fire's still going. They're getting closer now. It's a black car. That car got totaled, man. Se quemó. So you guys know that you guys should be careful. you guys should be careful with your the cars. Any electric work, any work con mecánico, whatever it may be. Be careful, try to do it properly, because anything can happen. And it can cause this. So it's always necessary to be careful. I might get closer ahorita, like later on, ahorita que apaguen la lumbre, or if the car's still there by tomorrow, I'll come in the morning. A ver cómo va a estar. Well, they turned off the fire. Ahí hay poquita lumbre nomás, pero ya, it's finally up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, stuff that happens. And peace out, guys.